Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Anjiro Pesh channel. Welcome to my channel. Today it's another new day, beautiful day. It's not hot, it's not cold, it's chilly somehow. We are grateful for God giving us this day that we are enjoying. Today I've decided to make a video because for some time I haven't done one. So I just came outside, seated here. I don't know what we call this. I'm seated here and my chicken are here feeding. I don't know whether you can see them. They are here feeding, just close to me. They're somewhere here feeding. Here. They enjoy being close to me. So I want to go and look for aloe vera to come and give the chicks because I see they are coughing. It's a medicine for chicken, and I want to go and get some at my grandmother's shamba or garden. That's where I normally go get. So let's go together as I go pick the aloe vera. This is our compound, our plantation there, plantains. Some are ready. Yeah, this is our house, our home, our kitchen. My chicken there feeding grass, enjoying the outside weather. Let's go together. Behind, that's our compound. That's our wall compound. Now I'm approaching the gate here. This is our gate. We go out. We go out. You see how the maize has grown? We are almost eating the maize. Fresh maize, fresh corn. This is the way I'm going. It's not near, it's a bit far down the hill. There's like a small hill, but we'll go together. I don't know if my grandmother is at the shamba or she's at home. I don't know. I've just come at my grandmother's home. I can't see her around. Maybe she's at the shamba. Let's go. Here's my auntie. Say hi.
Hi.
She can't even invite me for lunch, and it's already lunchtime.
No.
Let me just go. This is the way we are going. Down there. This is the way we are going. These are my uncle's houses, my auntie there, and we have a pigsty here. Let's see if we have pigs here. There's nothing. There is nothing here. Let's go. Let's see if we have pigs. This is the way I'm going to get my aloe vera for my chicken. It's this way. You see down there, after that house. Which I'm going. And there's a big forest down there. This is the way. This is the way to the garden. Here I am. Oh my. This is my shushu's garden. Yeah, there's a big forest there. And there's a river down there. But it's small. These days, the river is small. It's not big. People have encroached the river. So I don't know where the aloe vera is. I can see some here. But I don't know where to pass. Where now? There was another one there, but I can't see it. Maybe they uprooted. Let me take this route and see if I can get some. Just two are enough for me. God, there's no way through here. Hey? Oh my. I'll go back, see if she has some around the kitchen garden. If there's some there, I pick from there. But I wanted to pick from here because they are big. They are rooted then. They are nowhere to be found. The maize is beautiful. It's beautiful, beautiful. No, where do I'll go down here. I have to go with the aloe vera. Let me go down this way. I go this way. I go this way. Oh, true. I pick from here. This is what I've come for. This stuff. This is what I've come for. Here. This is what I've come for. This is antibiotic for chicken, and this is enough for me. I don't need much. So I go back home. I'll pass here. Why? Oh my God. It's steep and it's wet. Oh my. Here I am. Hey. It is hectic. Now going up the hill. Oh, and the way my body is aching. Okay. That's the route I'm going up, and it is steep for me. I don't climb hills. This is steep for me. We have beautiful houses in the neighborhood. There, this one here, that one there, these ones here, neighbors. Hey, this one is being constructed. I think the masons have gone for lunch. They're constructing this one. Let's see what we have here. Oh, oof. We have a pig, right? And we have a goat. And we have a goat here. Hi, how are you? How are you? We have some little maize here. Mr. Pig. What are these? They look like these are flower bells. Wow, beautiful. I don't know what kind of flowers are these. They are beautiful, beautiful. A kitchen garden here with pumpkin, beans, maize. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Huh. This is what I got. This is what I got. Oh, the chicken. Antibiotic. They are coughing. I've made it. I'm from there. Hey, it is like a distance. I'm tired. So, for those who have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share. Welcome. Thank you.